Linux navigation. That's what we want to talk about in this video. Welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. We're talking in depth about Linux navigation. What is Linux navigation? Simply you moving from one place to another. How can you navigate around within the Linux file system? First, you should understand the root directory of Linux. Look what I just did there. I used cd to change from where I was, which is the home directory of this root user. Then I change into the root directory of this machine. Then I use ls, that is to list out the content of the root directory of this machine, which is what you can see here. All of these are the content in the root directory of this machine. Alright, so you understand that the basic way of navigation in Linux is using the cd. And then let's say I want to move. First, let's see the content of the run directory. Ls run. What do you have here? You have console, you have log, you have every other thing. So let's say you want to move into the log file from run. So you see the, in fact you can use absolute path run, then go into the log, hit enter. Now we are in this log file, log directory. You can do ls in that directory. There's only one thing there, you can change into that directory as well. You can see the content, and there's this folder, but this is just you don't really need this folder. I'm just showing you how to move from one directory to another. I can do cd tilde to go into my home directory at the top here, and I can use cd / to go back into this root directory. And then, in fact, there are a lot of ways you can do this. I can use, in fact, there are a lot of things. So let's just go back into the home. Then from the home we want to go back into the etc directory, and you can do that. The etc directory is basically just behind us. Basically, here we have where's the etc directory? This is it, and we have the run, but this is the content of the run directory. So now we are in lock inside journal. We are like 4 steps. So you can just go back into the etc directory using just one command. Now we are in etc directory, and that's a lot of files and configuration files and documents and directories. So that is that. All right, so now you understand Linux navigation using cd. That's just it. And if you do dot, take you to the previous place, to the to the back, something like behind directory. Before I was in the etc directory, I know the etc directory is located in the root directory. So cd ... will take you to the parent of this directory, and cd tilde will take you home, the home of this user, in this case root user. So enter. Now I'm in the home of this user. It is as simple as that. That is how to navigate around in Linux. That's Linux navigation in a nutshell. And this colored that you're seeing are just executable files. This one is a directory, this one is a zip file, while this one are just regular file.